Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to use keyframes in CapCut Desktop for smooth transitions. To create smooth transitions using keyframes in CapCut Desktop, place keyframes at the start and end point of your video attributes. So let's say I'm gonna import a video here just to showcase. All right, let's say I'm gonna import this video. I'm gonna put it here, drag it here. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead on the right, and hit add keyframe. So I'm gonna add keyframe at the beginning. Gonna move away from the diamond and zoom in a little bit, right? So zoom in, right? Move again, and add another diamond, right? And let's say I want to move away. Let me move away from the diamond and add another one like this. So I'm gonna play the video now without audio so you can see the transition. Now let's move to the next part. So basically, that's it. By adjusting the spatial distance and speed between keyframes combined with motion blur or animations curves, you can achieve professional fluid movement. So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps. See you in the next one.